Seriously, it's going down. You know, I don't usually plan my live. I mean, my live stream. Anytime I'm prompted to go live, I just go when I have the time. Hey. Anytime I'm prompted, I just go live. I don't usually. I'm gonna go live today. I'm gonna go live now. I never know when I'm gonna go live. Just, you know. Hi everyone, thanks for joining. If you're joining for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, Vicky's Concepts. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Yeah. You know, when you have kids, it's you don't really plan yourself that well, because everything you're doing is just revolving around them. Yeah. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna be leaving soon anyway, because it's time for school run. Yeah. It's time for school run. Yeah, it's time for school run. You too, sis. Thank you. I truly appreciate all of you that turned out. I hope you guys have an amazing day. The rest of your day filled with joy and laughter, peace and love. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, MK. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to go now, okay? Bye everyone. Hi Special, we're about leaving and you're joining. How are you, sis? How are you, Special? It's getting on great, sis. Yeah, I'm about leaving. Okay, I'll be going off now for school run. But I appreciate you turning on here. Thank you, Special. Thank you for the like. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I'm gonna have to see you